So before this video gets started, if you want to sign up for a brand new company that just got $1.5 million in funding, they're giving more funds to drivers, more protections to drivers, benefits to drivers. If you ever get in a car crash, if you ever get hospitalized, if you ever get sick, you will keep your income as an Uber and Lyft driver for any gig apps. They're sending same day transfers, money transfers. If you ever get deactivated, they'll help you get your account back. They are awesome. The company is called Cover, and all these benefits and protections start at $7 a month. However, if you use my link, because they're a brand new company, there's a special offer. You'll get 30 days for free. You'll get full access to all this stuff, so you can try it out, no risk, no commitments, no annual contracts, none of that. You'll get your first 30 days for free if you use my link in the description down below to sign up for Cover to get you covered. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Rideshare Fitness. I'm just kidding. I did just get back from run though, and I am repping Calvin Klein, baby. I'm a Calvin Klein model. Woo -woo. That's a stretch, okay? Maybe I'll be featured on Gap. I don't know. I don't think I'm good looking enough for Calvin Klein, but I did actually used to be in literally really good shape. Should I show this picture? I'll include it if I remember. If not, it's on my Instagram. But I used to actually be freaking ripped. I used to work out a lot. I did do a little bit of modeling and acting, and I was just obsessed with like being freaking ripped. I was broke at the time though, because I spent all my time working out and not working. Now I'm like the opposite. Now I'm like, I spend all my time working and not working out. But whatever. I'm trying to get back in shape is what I'm trying to say. And oh yeah, by the way, for Halloween one year, I did dress up as a Calvin Klein model. Literally, if you're in good shape, literally, even if you're not, it's honestly it's funny either way. If you're a dude, literally, if you have no idea outfits, I don't know how I thought about it, but literally you'll become the talk of the party. Or I don't know, maybe you're a gathering of 7 people because of the illness right now. But wear jeans, take your shirt off, and literally write, oh, I did A and F. Same thing pretty much. Write A and F. And honestly, it's funnier the fatter you are. You're an Abercrombie & Fitch model. That's your... Okay, but anyways, guys, today's video, we're talking about Uber's launch... Sorry, I get distracted, you know? I like to keep these informational, but also, hey, we're all about having goof and gaff and laugh. Today we're talking... Imagine you're calling me up, and I got a little quick funny story to tell you, and then where I'm going to talk to you about. You know when you call somebody up for a business call, and the first like 2 minutes is like, so how's the life going out in Florida these days? Okay, so now let's get into the business call. It's like, bro, I hate that. Let's just get straight into the meat, right? I guess I'm contradicting myself because the first couple minutes of these videos are usually just me goofing, gaffing, and laughing around. But now let's get into the meat of the video. Uber launches new bonuses for drivers nationwide. Here we go, guys. I'm going to include this screenshot. This is a screenshot that somebody shared in my Facebook group. 70 trips for $355. Oh yeah, smash the thumbs up button too, guys. Helps me out a lot as a creator, and also yeah, just helps me out a lot. It'll make you feel good too, because you're giving back to a young soul like myself. 70 trips though for $355. 80 trips for $400. That one right there, guys. Actually, both of these, $355. These are both for 70 trips. That's $5 extra per ride. That's freaking amazing. Why is Uber doing this? Uber wants drivers to drive for Uber exclusively and not for Lyft. And they want drivers to drive a lot. So they're making... If you guys don't know, basically most drivers end up signing up for Uber or Lyft and quit after like 3 weeks. Uber wants drivers to sign up and drive, you know, for months and months and years. So they're doing these crazy incentives. What is somebody who has to do this? $400, but they're basically, what are they doing right now? They're paying somebody $400 to become a full-time driver. They're paying a part-time driver to become a full-time driver. Why? They're gonna take away the bonus, by the way, guys. This $400 a week, you're not gonna get that week over week. They're gonna give it to you once, But the thing is, in order to do 80 trips, you're gonna have to work 40 hours a week. Maybe not, you know, 40 hours of driving, but 40 hours of online time waiting for rides, going out and driving, setting aside time. And the only possible way to do that is if you don't have another job, right? You can't do I mean, I've done it like for a couple weeks, but they basically, maybe they'll do this for a few weeks because they basically want you to transition to become a full-time Uber driver. That's what they're doing. They're giving you incentive. If you're a part-time Uber driver and you're like, okay, well, usually I go out and do, you know, 20 hours a week. I do 40 trips. They're like, well, how about this? How about you do 80 trips and we'll give you another $400. If you're doing 80 trips, you're most likely averaging around $10 a ride, right? So that's $800 plus $400. You're looking at over $1,000. Let's say your average is like $7 a ride, right? That's a low average, right? But for the sake of my argument, let's do a low average. $7 times 80, that's $560 plus, let's say, if you know, 40 bucks in tips, whatever, round it up to 600 plus 400 bucks. So you're most likely, if you're gonna hit this quest, at least gonna make $1,000 a week. What does that do to a driver who makes $1,000 in 1 week? They think in their mind, shoot, I could do this every single week. I can make I can make 52 grand a year driving for Uber. They're like, I'm gonna quit my other job. They're kind of manipulating you guys. So yes, it's good, but also keep in mind, like, this isn't gonna be every week. And another week you go out and do 80 trips, you're probably only gonna be making, again, like down to 600 bucks. So it's literally the difference between, you know, you're having good $10 per ride average, 800 plus another 100 in tips, 900 bucks plus 400. You're literally looking at 1 week being $1,300. Well, that's like 60, 70 grand a year. And then another week you're only making like 500, 600 bucks. So like, there's a huge, this is why like Uber is not reliable at all. Like 1 week you could go out and do 40, 50 hours and only make 600, 700 bucks. And the next week you go out and you make 1,300. So what they're wanting you to do is they're basically giving you a $1,300 week. You know, go out and drive 40, 50 hours. We'll give you 1,300 bucks, 1,400 bucks, whatever, you know, with this quest bonus. And then they want you to keep driving, thinking you're gonna make that. And then you're just incentivized to keep driving when, so, I mean, that's what they're doing here, guys. So I just want to, like, yes, good, go for it, but also don't fall into the trap of becoming a full-time Uber driver and then like realizing that's not every single week. So anyways, guys, thumbs up the video if you like these types of videos, and subscribe for more videos, and also check out the links down below if you do want to sign up for Uber and Lyft. I have links down below to get a sign-up bonus or guarantee of up to $2,400. And if you're an Uber or Lyft driver or gig worker and you want paid time off or sick leave, there's a company called Cover that is providing that. And if you use my link down below, you will get your first 30 days for free. And yeah, go ahead and check that out. By the way, thank you all. I really do appreciate it. Over 40,000 subscribers now. I can't thank you all enough. Have a great day, guys. Bye.